All right, so this is the room tour at Lake Las Vegas Hilton. This is room 2410 on the bridge overlooking the lake. You walk in, you have this little area over here, some water, and then the bathroom is through here. Pretty big bathroom. It's got a nice big tub, dual sinks, and then a shower. And then obviously the toilet. And then right across is this closet. Some mirrors on the door. Nice safe. Okay. This is the room. King size bed. Really nice and spacious in here. The desk, a little sitting area, and then this right here is the money. Your very own balcony on top of the water, if I can get this door open. All right, did I just lock it? Hold on. How do I open this? I think my door is broken. Oh, here we go. That took some work. Here you go. Here's the balcony and the beautiful Lake Las Vegas. That's the village down there. And then down there you can see people are paddle boarding. I think you can do kayaking here too. It's absolutely beautiful. This little sitting area. That is the room tour.